Hello, children. In today's class, we are going to start the new chapter that is Everyday Science. So, our first topic is float and sink. So, today we are going to do a small experiment and check which objects will float and which objects will sink. So, to start this experiment, we need few things to be get ready. That's the experiment, children. So first, what all the materials we needed? The first thing we need is a tub filled with water. We need the one basin of water and one rubber ball, pencil, metallic spoon, plastic cup, stay foam and metallic toy. So now we will classify which among these materials will float and sink. First take a rubber ball and drop it into the tub of water. Let's see what happened. It's sinking or floating? It floats. The rubber ball floats. Next take a pencil and drop it into the water. What happened to the pencil? It floats. Yes. Now take the metallic spoon and then we are dropping it into the tub of water. What happened? The spoon sinks. It is under the water. Next, take a plastic cup and drop it into the tub. The plastic cup, it floats. Now, next we are going to see what happening. We are going to take one stay foam. Now, let's see. The stay foam is floats. It is floating in the water. It floats, yes. At the last, we are going to take one metallic toy and drop it into the water. What happened? It went under to the water, means it sinks. The toy sink. Sink means to go to the bottom. It is going to the bottom of the tub. Sink means it is going to the bottom. Float means it is on the top. See the stay foam? It is on the top. The shape of an object can never affect it, but some materials will float no matter what their shape is. Example, stay foam. What we have learned in this? Sink, to stay on the bottom of a water. Example, rocks and metals. They will be, when you throw into the water, they get sink, means they will reach the bottom of a water. And float. Float means to stay on the top. Example, plastic, wood, stay foam. These objects, they will never sink. Children, you also can do this activity at your home. You can take the objects which are at your home like crayons, pencil, coins, popsicle, toy car, cotton ball and a ball, and you can drop one by one into the water and you can observe whether the object is getting floated or sink, and you can write down your observation in a piece of paper. Hope you all understand in today's class about float and sink. Thank you, children.